Yes, I am a little bit excited because it is that time of the week. Chef Gav, Gourmet Gav, welcome back to the studio.
Oh, thank you very much.
Gee, it's good to see you, and not just because you've brought food.
I think it is.
Now, I know you're a very, very busy person at the moment. You're doing lots of things. You're very important now, so thanks for still coming in to see us.
Not that important. I can always make time.
Of course you can. Now, look, I've been saying on air, and I think I dropped enough hints, it's getting cold.
Yep.
It is soup weather, and lo and
Perfect.
behold, you've brought in an absolute classic.
Yes, pumpkin soup. The easy pumpkin soup.
Did you know that I did some research and this originated from France?
All right.
Yeah, apparently when the colonies separated, it was part of their independence, they created pumpkin soup.
Well, I'd never made it till I came to Australia because we just feed it to pigs.
I know.
I don't eat it.
That's what you're weird overseas.
It's funny because I love turnips and swedes and parsnips and all that sort of stuff. Sweet potato, but I can't go at pumpkin at all.
Really?
Yeah, I know when it tastes good, but I don't like it.
Everyone in the UK just throws it out.
Yes.
Or in America they make jack-o'-lanterns.
Which comes from an Irish thing of a turnip.
Yeah, yes.
Did you research that bit?
So you're responsible for everything.
Yeah.
No, I think it's fantastic. So look, let's talk about the pumpkin soup. In Australia, we obviously adore it.
Yep.
And we've got two here today.
It's the same recipe. There's one added ingredient into the second one, which makes it more palatable to me.
Okay, so is this the one I'm
That's
eating
the normal
first?
one. If you eat that one, that's
So
the
you
one off the
tell us
recipe.
what's in this one.
Oh, it's just the secret ingredient. It's not really a secret. Is nutmeg. The grated nutmeg makes such a massive difference when you come at pumpkin soup.
When you said there was a secret ingredient, didn't I say off air is it nutmeg?
Yes,
but you've
you
put that
did.
in there first. That's
And I like a little
bloody
cumin
beautiful.
as well. So yeah,
You are fancy pants.
it's the basis for my butter chicken as well.
Oh, that is so creamy.
So with the butter chicken, I just roast the tandoori chicken and mix it through the soup,
Oh, really?
and then you get butter chicken.
Clever.
I know. I'm not just good
You know
looking.
what you're doing. Is there cream in that one?
No.
Oh, stop it.
So
Okay,
this one
healthy.
has got a little added something. See if you can tell me what it is. But it changes the flavour completely. Look at the face on you.
Oh, I'm trying to get it because
Yeah.
I know what it is, but
It elevates the flavours within it. You can't get it, can you?
no, don't tell me yet. One more.
Okay, here we go. Riveting
Keep-
radio, listening to
keep talking.
someone eating soup.
Keep talking while I keep stuffing my face.
It's,
Curry.
Yeah, no,
Curry. No.
it's miles away from curry. You're nowhere near.
Oh, all right. What is it?
Blue cheese.
It is blue cheese.
Yes. A little bit of blue cheese makes it more creamy and elevates all the other flavours around it.
That's good.
And for people who don't eat blue cheese, it's a perfect introduction.
That's good. You know what? For me, I think I preferred the first one though because it's sweeter. But I know a lot of people would love that blue cheese.
Yeah, it's a little bit different. Elevates.
Well, there you go. So if you want to do a pumpkin soup, the recipe is up at 2nurfm.com.au. Click on the morning show page and Gourmet Gav is there. But I like this is clever because I don't
it's a
think
little
many
bit different, and it changes the flavours, and it's just I really like it. I can actually eat it when there's blue cheese in it because it's probably not as sweet.
It doesn't taste like pumpkin soup
Yeah,
as much.
that's probably why.
Oh, well, Gav, thank you so much. Absolutely delicious
I'm glad
and a
you
great
enjoyed.
one for this time. And Todd's been in here paneling and making pig sounds at me, which is very rude. But just on that, can I have both of these?
Of course you can. Lick the spoons. Make sure you lick the spoons.
Oh, well, I will. Don't you worry.
You look like a spoon licker from way back.
I don't know what that means, but thank you.
2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.